Today, we'll be going over how to install the X7372 EcoHitch on your Honda Odyssey. First, unsnap the various fasteners on both sides holding the bumper to the vehicle, including the ones located in the wheel wells. Then, unsnap the bumper rearward at the back end to completely remove it. As shown in the video, you may find it easier to loosely secure the hitch toward the rear of the vehicle using the metric hardware provided in the kit. When you're ready, place and thread the half-inch hardware onto the bolt fisher. Put your hardware and bolt fisher in the hole of the frame toward the front of the vehicle, and use the fisher to pull it back down through the same hole. Then, unthread the bolt fisher, placing the rest of the required hardware on the bolt, and torque them down to the proper specs. Grab the last couple of metric bolts and hardware to secure your hitch to the frame, getting them to the proper torque specs. Before putting the bumper fascia back on, you will want to refer to the instructions for dimensions of where to trim to allow access to your hitch. After that, reinstall the bumper and other hardware in the reverse order of removal. Once you are finished, you will have a new tow hitch on your Honda Odyssey.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torque products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.